is Lauren. I'm the pearl expert here at the Pearl Source. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 overtones of the Akoya Pearls. Now there's not a huge difference between the 3 overtones. It's all very subtle. Akoya Pearls in general, they're not a pure white, they're slightly off-white. So even with the white overtone, which we have here, it's going to be the brightest of the 3, and it's also by far the most popular overtone. And then second, we have the rose overtone, which has a slightly pink tinge to the luster. And lastly, we're going to have the ivory overtone, which is a creamy white with still a slightly pink tinge. So that's about it. That's the difference between the white, rose, and ivory overtones of Akoya Pearls.